Hey guys, I know this is not our normal off-road content, but I wanted to do a video of my 23 Road Glide. Put the 14-inch apes on it, heated grips. It's got the 114 blacked out engine, 6-speed transmission. Put the Keen Tour Pack on it. I've got a Rockford Fosgate stereo system from Tony Thrillville, who is a off-road rider, KRX 4-seater. And if you need a new motorcycle, look him up. Anyways, I've got the Harley Davidson torque cams, the Screaming Eagle tuner, and I've got the Khrome Werks full exhaust system. So I'm gonna do a cold start up so you can hear what it sounds like with the Khrome Werks exhaust and the Harley Davidson torque cams. Lay the phone down, I'll be right back. By no means, but it's not supposed to be. So you guys wondering what Khrome Werks exhaust sounds like with torque cams, this is not slip-ons, this is the full system. Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button. Have a great day.